Himalayas stand out as one of the most impressive natural formations on Earth. The formation of this massive mountain range is a result of millions of years of tectonic collision between the Indian and Asian plates. This extraordinary geological process has led the mountains to rise from the ocean floor to acquire their present majestic silhouette. The region is notable for the Himalayan salt, famous for its unique minerals. Derived from the mineral content of various rocks in the mountains and remnants of the ancient seabed, this salt offers various health benefits due to its unique mineral profile. The Sherpa community, residing in the peaks of the Himalayas, is known for their expertise in mountaineering and guiding. They stand out with their ability to feel comfortable in low atmospheric pressure and adapt to the challenging geography. The mountain range has been the main theme of many documentaries, captivating viewers by showcasing the efforts to climb the high peaks, the lifestyle of the local people, and the unique natural beauty of the region. Geographically, the Himalayas span across Nepal, Bhutan, India, China, and Pakistan, forming natural borders between these countries and shaping the geopolitical structure of the region. Furthermore, the geographical location of the Himalayas influences the region's climate. It impedes rain clouds from reaching the Gobi Desert, increasing its aridity. Additionally, the massive glaciers on the peaks contribute significantly to the region's water resources. While the Himalayas dominate the world map as an impressive presence, their unexplored corners and harsh climate attract attention. Peaks like Annapurna and Everest are both the dreams of climbers and perilous summits that pose risks to their lives. Despite the challenging conditions of this mountain range, the local population's ability to adapt to nature and engage in agriculture is a significant accomplishment. The cultivation of potatoes and grains in the region demonstrates that it is possible to grow crops in such harsh climates. An impressive feature of the Himalayas is the availability of internet access in the region. This showcases that modern technology can reach even the most rugged terrains, with Wi-Fi even available on the summit of Everest. The word Himalaya, derived from the Sanskrit language, emphasizes the snow-covered peaks of this region, symbolizing their resilience with their perennial snow. Despite the loss of many climbers every year on the challenging peaks, the natural beauty and diversity of the Himalayas continue to attract new adventurers. The Valley of Flowers, listed in the UNESCO World Heritage Sites in this region, is one of the unique beauties of nature. Hosting the majority of the world's 14 peaks above 8 kilometers from sea level, the Himalayas truly stand out as one of the most impressive natural formations on Earth. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like it. Thank you.